Welcome to the Gem of the North. Family and friends have been sharing time together and creating memories at Otsego Resort for more than 80 years. Otsego Resort has been a prominent fixture in northern Michigan since it was founded in 1939. We are a four-season resort complete with family-friendly ski hills, 36 holes of championship golf led by the Tribute Course, and a gorgeous fine dining experience. Today, we're talking about warm weather, golf, fun, and gracious accommodations at Otsego Resort. Start thinking about who you should invite right now. Let the playing begin just after your morning arrival. The grounds are beautiful, and the Bavarian-themed architecture of the lodge, chalets, and townhouses will create a truly memorable stay. Check in and head out to one of our uniquely challenging championship courses which incorporate the natural landscape of northern Michigan, including the rolling hills, wildlife, forests, creeks, and stunning views in every direction. The Tribute Course runs along a 1,100-acre tour of the majestic Sturgeon River Valley, and players can see the horizon over 30 miles away. Plan in a few short breaks to take in the view. It's unparalleled. You'll find plenty of inspiring places for photos and a few selfies, and cool off with some refreshments from the beverage cart. With elevated tees and greens, this course will inspire golfers of any skill to tee it up again and again. You can spend the entire day traversing this course and soaking in the views. But before you head out, stop in at Headwaters Golf Shop. It is our main hub for all golf activity. If you're missing any necessities before everyone grabs a cart, drop by the Headwaters and our knowledgeable staff will help you out. Sidestep next door and the Pro Grill fuels golfers before and after their rounds with grab-and-go breakfast, light lunches, drinks, and snacks. Now for some sun and swim. We hope you packed your gear for a relaxing afternoon at our full-sized heated outdoor pool and lounge area. Enjoy all the time you need to catch up with your friends or family. Looking for some excitement after the pool? Head over to our lawn games and team up with your friends, or make new ones over at the horseshoes or the ever-popular cornhole. Maybe you'll find a tournament going on or create a competition of your own while we offer up another backdrop view you won't find anywhere else. We can't stop with the views. When you get hungry, stroll over to the Duck Blind Grille offering American casual fine dining. Choose our spacious main dining area or head to the terrace to wine and dine outside with serene River Valley scenery. Seeking some twilight hour relaxation? We offer an elegant and spacious fire pit area where gatherings are sure to occur and stories will be told. Cap off your night or nightcap? A finale to your evening will be drinks at the Logmark, a signature bar in Otsego County for more than 50 years. Friendly nights for family and friends, the Logmark features live music, trivia, karaoke, and plenty of options to find the perfect drink to tap the end of an outstanding day at Otsego Resort. A summer night is not complete without catching a sunset with stunning panoramic views of the famous Sturgeon River Valley. You won't want to miss this magical up north experience. Book your summer stay and play today at Otsego Resort.